Looking for an indoor-outdoor security system with AI? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Helix 5MP 4K NVR system and camera. This is a POE security system that can handle 8 channels and does 4K footage. This is a 4K NVR security system that has AI in it and can handle 8 different cameras. As you know, in every episode of Get Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. Let's take a look at this Helix 4K 8-channel NVR right here. Packaging on this thing just looks so good. Wow, it is like retail ready. Look at this thing. Super nice. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is going to be this quick start guide, and it's just going to give you all that information on getting everything set up real nice and quick so that you don't have to worry about anything. A mouse is included with this product, so super nice. That way you can navigate the menus. We got some little rubber pads here to go on the bottom of the NVR, just that way it doesn't slide around a whole bunch, and some extra screws. We've got our power brick right here, which is super nice. Even has that ground wire on there, so very cool. And the NVR itself, this thing just looks so nice. It kind of makes me think of the old satellite dish boxes right here. Super cool. You know, one thing to do keep in mind is that there is an app paired with this, and also you can add your own hard drives. A lot of these do not include the hard drive, so you will have to pick up a hard drive for yourself. But we got 2 USB ports on the front there, and in the back we've got our 8 PoE ports. We've got our line in for internet, and we got some audio out. We got VGA or HDMI. So with HDMI, you do get audio included in that, and then our plug for our mouse. So everything you need right here. You're not going to need an external PoE power device or powering hub. You can plug it all right here into this NVR. And also in this video, we're going to be taking a look at their 5MP Ultra HD cameras. Look at this night color. It's got full color night vision on it. AI in this thing, human detection. Wow. Packaging on it is also amazing. Mentioning the app again right there, so super cool. Full color night vision. Let's open it up. Again, first thing in the box is this quick start guide in full color, so that's super nice. Just giving you all the tips to get the app set up and installation processes, but right there, important. You got a little alignment sticker right here, so you'll be able to use this so you can pre-start your holes when mounting the camera. We've got part of our mounting system right here to protect the Ethernet cables and then also our screws. And now for the camera itself, this thing just feels so nice. It is definitely high quality. Listen, it's metal. That did not feel good on my hand, so it's definitely high quality there. Mounting looks to be really easy. For our cables here, we've got Ethernet, and then we also have another power wire, but this is PoE, so you can literally just power it over the Ethernet. And don't worry, the Ethernet cables are included. The package comes with 4 60-foot cables right here, so keep in mind it's PoE, so you can power the whole camera using these Ethernet plugs right here. We're going to be installing 4 of these cameras into this Helix system here, and let's go ahead and get it set up and try it out.
This is the Helix 4K 8-channel PoE NVR supporting up to 8 terabytes of hard drive space while featuring 8 channels of recording. The latest H.265 video compression and 8-port PoE and playback 8-channel at 30 frames per second or 4-channel at 1080p 30 frames per second. This kit includes the 4x5MP IP PoE outdoor bullet cameras that film at 2592 by 1944 resolution at 30 frames per second, and each camera comes with a built-in microphone. This kit also includes 4 60-foot Ethernet cables. When it comes to the NVR, it has AI features and dual illumination. The 5MP AI PoE cameras features a human detection, tripwire, and intrusion with event filtering, dual illumination night vision with full color night color white LED, and IR LED night vision. Offers a 5 megapixel at 20 frames per second video with a super wide 93.2 degree viewing angle and an f-stop 2.0 aperture and 1/3 inch image sensor. With the advanced H.265 compression technology, it lets you save on storage space while it allows for longer recording times. This technology compresses your video without sacrificing any of the Ultra HD video quality, and with the intelligent search, playback, and backup functions, it provides an enhanced ease of use and security. For example, the motion detection events and exact search functions that are accurate to 1 second. Some of the AI features available depend on the camera model being used, but the built-in AI features include tripwire, intrusion human, vehicle detection, as well as enhanced perimeter protection. It connects to and manages all of the PoE IP cameras on your network directly through their Ethernet cables for ultimate ease and convenience in home security systems. When it comes to the storage, it can handle up to 8 terabytes of hard drive space. Do keep in mind though, a hard drive is not included with this NVR. You can make your security simplified because this Helix PoE security camera system features a secure connection and receives regular firmware updates from within the Helix app. So at Helix, they want to ensure the safety of their customers, their loved ones, homes, and businesses. And the individual cameras can support up to 256 gigabytes of micro SD storage, but cloud storage is optional. The app allows you to do all kinds of amazing features, so if you want to just use a TV for this monitoring, you can, or you can use the app and monitor all the cameras on your system and do all the searching for AI. So when it comes to security, it looks like Helix has got you covered. So I gotta say, wow guys, great job.
This is our first time working with Helix, and I gotta say, this thing is so powerful at such a great price. The fact that it has AI features built into it and the NVR's power over Ethernet, so you don't even need a hub, is just... it's super nice. So we want to give a huge shout out to Helix for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget about today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.